themselves in a circle around the throne, as well as the living creatures. And the elders, their number was 10,000 times 10,000, thousand times thousands, all of whom were singing in a loud voice. Worthy is the Lamb who was killed to receive power and wealth and wisdom and might and honor and glory and praise. Then I heard every creature in heaven, on earth, under the earth, in the sea, and all that is in them, singing, to the one seated on the throne and to the Lamb be praise, honor, glory, and ruling power forever and ever. And the four living creatures were saying, Amen. And the elders threw themselves to the ground and worshipped.